You're welcome to Karma Studios. Most of the candidates, the BC candidates, they have been requesting me to make a video about the prospectus so that they can get themselves prepared. So today I've taken my time and I've made a research, and this is 2023-2024 academic year national prospectus for boarding students, and I am here to read each and everything on the list for you guys. So kindly share this video to your friends, to your colleagues, to your parents, so that they can watch the whole video to the end. If you want the PDF file too, I'll be dropping it on my Telegram page. So if you haven't joined my Telegram page, make sure to join it. The link will be under the description box or the comment section. So don't forget to share this video. So without further ado, let's get into the list. So this is in the 2023-2024 academic year, and the national prospectus for boarding students. A category of items. So we are going to start with category 1, and that is the basic needs. These list each and every candidate must have these basic needs. Yes, you must have these items. So let's start with number 1: hard body suit case or trunk. That is what we call trunk or hard body suit. Chop box, wooden or plastic one. Drinking cup, one plastic or stainless plate, and a set of cutlery Yes. Toiletries, one deodorant, one pack of tea roll, toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, pomade, 2 packs of sanitary pads for girls. And number 5 is decent sandals, school specification, no embellishment. A pair of leather of slippers, school specification. Decent sneakers, black or white. 2 pair of socks, school specification. Pajamas or sleepwear. Underwear, 2 pants and 3 vests for girls. 3 boxer shorts or pants. 3 singlets for boys. 1 plastic bucket with cover and pail. RSV and NIV or Bible, Quran, or any hymn book for Christian or Muslims. School specified. The school is going to specify that. Yes. Pillow covered with Macintosh. That one too is necessary. 2 student bed sheet with 2 pillowcases, plain white. 1 blankets and sleeping clothes. That is number 15. A pair of khaki trousers, a pair of white trousers, white dress for ladies, white shirts. Student size mosquito nets, 1 school bag, 1 mathematical set and scientific calculator. Standard graphic book, 1 cutlass. These are the basic needs that you need to have if you're a boarding student. Category 2, cleaning materials. Yes, so these are the cleaning materials, and the list goes: a pair of hand gloves, hard one. Liquid soap, 5 liters. 1 kilogram washing powdered soap, and I think that is all. So it is 3: 1 pair of hand gloves, liquid soap, 5 liters, and 1 kg washing powdered soap. And another list, you need 1 bleach small size, 1 dustpan, 1 long handle broom, and then 1 scrubbing brush. And you also need 1 standing mop and mop bucket, 1 duster, short local broom. All personal items should be embossed or embroidered with student's name. So after you buy all the items, you need to wrap it up and then write your name on it. Yes, you need to write your name on it, so that when you take it to the senior house master's office, then they will get to know that, okay, this is Salif Abdul's item, so that it will be like, it will not be mixed, because the students will be plenty. Yeah, you're going to be many when you get to the campus. So let's get into different items, and this is Ghana Education Service and Ghana TVET Service. So this is for the technical schools 2023-2024 academic year prospectus for first year students for the technical schools. We have senior high slash technical. That is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the vocational and technical institute. So these are the prospectus. And this one also goes to the senior high schools. You have to go along with your passport picture and 2 passport size pictures and national ID, that is Ghana card. If the school requires you to bring your Ghana card or any national ID. But remember, you need to go with your national health insurance card. Yes. And the technical schools, you have to go with one mathematical set and scientific calculator, one decent standard school specification, no embellishment, and then decent sneakers, black or white, and one school bag. That is for the technical schools. Yeah. And the technical schools too, you are also required to come along with your two passport picture size, and then your national ID if the school requires it, and then your valid national health insurance card. Yes, you need to go with it. So these are the national prospectus for 2023-2024 academic year for the whole GES body. So note they share this video to your friends. If you haven't become part of this amazing family, what are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe to our platform or follow us on all the social media handles for your educational news and whatever you need to know about your education. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If this is your first time, as I said earlier, make sure to become part of this amazing family. We are out.